Maayong gabi sa tanan nakong mga viewers, sa mga kaibigan nako guys, mga higala. Good evening everyone. Guys, as a content creator, it is my duty, it is my task to produce right entertaining, to bring values, to bring the right educations, to educate the people, to help the people, to lead the people, to bring the right informations, the right materials for my viewers, to all the people who followed me, to those people who supported me. It is my duties and responsibilities to educate everyone, regardless of people who do not like to us, who don't like to me. There are a lot of people out there who do not like me. You know what guys, I am not forcing to anyone who doesn't like me. Dili na to ma-please ang mga tao. Bisag asa. Bisag asa in every corner, even in a religious sector. We cannot please everybody. We cannot please everyone. But the most important is I will always bring the right information, the right entertaining, the right educations, the right materials for everyone. Thank you guys and God bless. God bless everyone. I hope sa ako ang quick message guys, na amoy na kutlo, na amoy na learn, na amoy na sabtan. God bless everyone.